Hi friends, this is ExcelGuru back with another challenge has been given by our friend in WhatsApp group. It's really a great, amazing challenge. I will first of all I will share the screen and later I will explain the query. Later I will show you the solution. Right. Here is the query. Right, and here is the query. Okay. Now, see, what is the query actually? First of all, let me explain you perfectly. Then I will show you the solution. See, here what will happen means, here something like, see, what I'll do, y and 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, actually what is the query means, I'll explain you. See, when it is working days, okay, when it's working days, so it should be y. Okay, it should be y. If it is non-working day, means it's an off on that day, week off on that day. So it should be n, no. Okay, understood. I think I make you understand perfectly. That is, if Monday is a working day, then y. Tuesday is non-working day, means it's a week off. Then we have to make it n. Okay. This is the thing it's happened over here. Really understand. Okay. See, totally 7 characters are there. Y, N, Y, N, Y, N. Totally 7 characters. Week is contains 7 days. So for that reason, it is having 7 characters. Y means S, you have to attend the office. No means it's non-working day, means it's a week off. So here I will show you the solution. Okay. For your understanding, and one thing, in this description, I am adding this file for your practice. So you can go over there in the description and click on the link and download the file and practice by yourself. Then you can able to understand perfectly. See what it is actually, how we are. First of all, what you have to do means we need y. Okay. We need to know how many y's are there. Y means yes, means you have to attend the office at any home, whatever it may be. And non-working day means Tuesday, and so it's an off. So we have to club those working days. Okay. So here is the query. What I'll do, first of all, I'll separate each and every character separately. Mid of this, comma, a row of indirect, starting with 1 and ampersand here. Close parenthesis, and now comma 1. What I'm asking to Excel means extract each and every character separately. We doesn't know how many are there. For that reason, I have used this one. Not this one, actually length. I have to add length over here. Sorry, length of characters. Okay, let me check. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. F9. I'll show you. F9. For that reason, I used the length of that character, starting 1 to 7, separately each and every character. Okay, F9. So it will give you Y, N, Y, N, Y, N, or else Y, 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 N, N, N. Some, okay, randomly. Now, we are interested in Y, right? So what I'll do, I'll use if function. If this equal to Y. Okay. Now, what I'll do, just I'll copy this one only, not that one, number of only this one. Again, I have to use. Here, what I'll do means mid of. Here, I'll do some magic. That is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. is the text I'm giving for the mid function to extract each and every text separately. Comma, a row of indirect. Sorry, I already copied now. Just I will paste it and comma 1 and close parenthesis. Comma blank. We will make it blank for false. If it is not available, show me blank. Okay. It's very easy. So much easy. So much. So first of all, what I'll do, I'll just press enter. F2. See. Step by step, I'll explain. Wherever in this text, in logical text, if you find the true, pick up the corresponding true from this text. As now. Okay. Pick up the corresponding text from the I mean to say from this thing. Okay. Understood? Here true. Here true. S. Again true. T. Again false. Again true. T. Okay. Understood? Like that it will pick up as per corresponding. Okay. See, totally what I'll do, I'll escape, not escape. I'll click here and I will show you F9 T. STTFS. Total, these are the working days. Okay, N means no, it's not a working day. Y means it's a working day. Wherever you find the Y, you have to pick up that weekday, like Sunday, Monday, all of that. Okay, so here Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Saturday, or Sunday. I mean Saturday. We start the week from Sunday, so it is Saturday. Okay. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. Now I will use one amazing function, concat. Concat. Simply. Okay, I'll do escape. F2. Out. Concat. Concat. Enter. It's an array function. We have to use Control Shift and Enter. Okay. It's an array function. Okay, if you have any more doubts, you can ask me in the comment box, or you can go through my WhatsApp group. I'll mention my WhatsApp group, that is ExcelGuru. I'll mention that link also, and this file link also I'll mention in the description. You can go through there and click on that, download this file and practice by yourself. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.